Hey everybody, Rob and Chris again. Here we are, it's that time of year. We've got some news for these guys, don't we?
Very excited. So February 24th, Cincinnati, Ohio, product launch event. We've got all new technology, all new products. So even if you were at our event last year, it's well worth the time to come back. We just went through the agenda. Everything we're going to talk about is all brand new.
Yes. Yes, it's a can't miss event, guys. It truly is. You're going to see some revolutionary stuff. It's going to take some additional training, so it's important that everybody comes, and the slots are going to fill up quickly. We're allowing this to the first 50 people that register. We're sending out some information today, as a matter of fact. You're going to have all that in your email inboxes. Please sign up and register ASAP.
Yep, and special guest, Ryan Lee's going to be there.
Absolutely.
Talk about profits and how to make money installing landscape lighting. So that's well worth it as well. He's going to be there the whole day. He'll be through the training. So lots of people will have lots of time to interact with Ryan as well. So come join us February 24th, Cincinnati, Ohio. Be here.
See you there.